Are you tired of overpriced coffee shop drinks and want to create cafe-quality espresso at home? Here are the 5 best Gaggia Espresso machines I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Breville Bambino Espresso Machine. Let's kick things off with the Breville Bambino Espresso Machine. Priced at $299.49, this compact powerhouse caught my eye for its sleek, brushed stainless steel design. If you want barista quality espresso without the wait, this is worth a serious look. This machine is all about making your espresso experience easy and delicious. Its innovative thermojet heating system gets you to the perfect extraction temperature in just 3 seconds. Yes, just 3 seconds. That means no more waiting around for your caffeine fix. Plus, the 54mm portafilter holds 19 grams of coffee, ensuring you get a rich flavor profile in every cup. And for those who love frothy milk, the automatic steam wand delivers perfectly textured microfoam, making it easier to create latte art right at home. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're a coffee lover looking for a quick, quality brew, the Bambino will have you covered without sacrificing taste or style. And with over 3,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear that others agree with me. Now, some people complained about the manual operation being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the control you have over your brew is totally worth it. Just think of it as a fun learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want a compact espresso machine that delivers quality without taking up too much counter space. Skip this one if you're looking for a fully automated experience or a machine with extensive programmability. Honestly, for the price, the Bambino offers excellent value for a quality home espresso setup. Now, if the manual operation of the Bambino concerns you, the next machine I'm introducing might be more your speed. Product number 2, the Barista Express Espresso Machine by Breville, priced at $692.99. This machine stands out because of its built-in conical burr grinder, which allows you to grind your beans fresh for each shot. If you want to take your coffee game to the next level, this is definitely worth checking out. Why? Freshly ground coffee means you're getting the best flavor possible, and the integrated grinder makes that super convenient. It features a 15-bar Italian pump and a digital temperature control system, ensuring your espresso is brewed at just the right temperature. Plus, the manual steam wand gives you full control over your milk texture. Here's the thing. With over 3,000 sold last month, it's clear this is a favorite among coffee aficionados. But I've seen some complaints about the cleaning process being a bit tedious. Now, I'll be real with you. While it does require some upkeep, the quality of espresso you get in return is a worthy trade-off if you're serious about your coffee. This is perfect for those who want the full barista experience at home with the added convenience of a grinder. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler setup with fewer parts to maintain. Overall, the Barista Express is a fantastic investment for those who want to enjoy cafe-quality espresso without leaving their kitchen. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious coffee lovers.
Product number 3, Professional Espresso Maker. Let's talk about the commercial espresso maker, priced at just $126.99. This one might grab your attention because of its budget-friendly price point, combined with some impressive features. If you're looking for a reliable machine that won't break the bank, this is worth a look. This machine offers a powerful 20-bar pump, which is crucial for delivering a rich, creamy espresso. It also comes with a milk frother, allowing you to whip up cappuccinos and lattes with ease. And its compact design makes it a great fit for smaller kitchens while still delivering a solid performance. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's clearly appealing to those on a budget. However, some users mentioned that the build quality isn't as premium as more expensive models. Here's the thing though, for the price, it performs well and is a great entry point for someone new to espresso. If you're after something more durable, you might want to consider investing more. This is perfect for beginners or those who want a decent home espresso maker without spending a fortune. Skip this if you're looking for advanced features and build quality. At this price, it's hard to argue against the value you're getting. Now, if you're seeking something with a bit more focus on durability and commercial-grade performance, the next machine is a solid contender. Product number 4, the DeLonghi Classic Espresso Machine. We have the DeLonghi Classic Espresso Machine priced at $229.95. This machine caught my eye due to its classic look and solid performance. If you want a reliable machine that can handle everyday use, this is worth considering. This espresso maker features a 15-bar pump and temperature control, ensuring a consistent brewing experience. The milk frother allows you to make espresso drinks with ease, and its straightforward interface makes it user-friendly for beginners. Plus, it's compact enough to fit on any kitchen counter while still delivering quality espresso. With over 700 units sold in the last month, it's clear that many appreciate its reliability. However, some users found the frother a bit less powerful than expected. Here's the thing, while it may not create the thickest foam, you can still achieve good results with practice. So if you're looking for a simple machine that gets the job done, this could be it. This is perfect for anyone wanting a no-fuss espresso maker that offers reliable performance. Skip this if you need advanced features or want a more powerful frothing experience. With its price and quality, it's a solid option for everyday espresso lovers. Now, if you're after something more premium with commercial components, let's move on to our final product. Product number 5, Gaggia E24 Espresso Machine. We have the Gaggia E24 Espresso Machine, priced at $449. This model stands out with its solid steel housing and commercial-grade components, making it a top choice for those serious about their espresso. If you want a machine that combines durability and professional quality, this one should be on your radar. This espresso machine offers 9-bar espresso extraction, which is crucial for achieving that rich flavor in crema. It also features a stainless steel 58mm commercial portafilter, ensuring you get the best extraction every time. Plus, the commercial steam wand allows for professional-level frothing capabilities, so you can create cafe-style drinks right at home. With over 500 sold recently, it's clearly gaining traction among espresso enthusiasts. However, some users noted that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're after quality and performance, that noise is a small price to pay. The results you get from this machine are worth it for any serious coffee lover. This is perfect for those who are committed to espresso and want a machine that can handle daily use with commercial-grade results. Skip this if you're just looking for casual coffee making, as the features might be overkill. The value for money here is outstanding, especially if you appreciate high-quality espresso. Now, let's wrap everything up and see which of these machines stands out as the best choice for you.
So, to quickly compare all 5, we started with the Breville Bambino for quick quality espresso, followed by the Barista Express with its built-in grinder for those serious about coffee. Then we looked at the budget-friendly commercial espresso maker, great for beginners, followed by the DeLonghi Classic for reliable daily use. Lastly, we had the Gaggia E24 for those wanting durability and commercial performance.